Hello and welcome. Hey, I'm doing something kind of crazy. I'm putting in some extra pipes for my vacuum cleaner so I don't have to trip over the hose all the time. I'm only going to glue this section. The rest of it I'm going to make it so I can take it apart in case of a clog. Okay, I'm going to bore this out so that fits in there. My vacuum cleaner hose. Hopefully it holds okay. Holds in the chuck. Yeah, I think that's going to be fairly thin. I think it'll be okay. I like it. Okay, I'm turning this down a little bit to match what's on the vacuum cleaner. I'm going to cut some threads on it so it'll screw on, so my hose will screw on. Where'd all that come from? I think it picked it up from underneath the lathe. Crap. That's exactly what I was afraid would happen. Not good. See if we can fix it. Ah, crap. Well, that's not a super good way to do that, but as long as that plastic doesn't melt. That's a little better. Yep. Well, that about wraps it up for today. Simple $35 fix, just so I don't trip over the vacuum cleaner hose. A little easier to clean up on the floor around the vacuum cleaner. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Be sure and subscribe and ring that bell.